Maya, yesterday, something very funny happened at my home.
Oh, really? Tell me.
My mother asked me, "Can you switch off the fan?"
Okay, normal question.
And I said, "Yes, I will close the fan."
Close the fan.
Yes. Then my father looked at me and said, "Are you closing a door or a fan?"
Oh, no. That is funny, but also very real.
Yes. At home, we use English, but sometimes we translate from our language.
And that creates small mistakes.
Exactly. Simple daily sentences become confusing.
But do not worry.
Today, we will help you speak natural English at home.
Yes, real conversations, real situations.
After this, you will feel more confident speaking English with your family. Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. I am Alex.
And I am Maya. We are very happy to see you again.
If you want to improve your English every day,
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
all right, let us begin.
Let us start with morning time. Morning is the best time to practice English. Simple conversations can help a lot. Example 1. Good morning.
Very important. Always start with a greeting.
Next. Did you sleep well?
Simple and caring. Every morning, my mother asks me, "Did you sleep well?"
And what do you say?
Sometimes I say, "Yes, I slept well." But sometimes I say, "No, I had a late night party."
Oh no. Real life problem.
Next sentence. Wake up or get up.
You can also say, hurry up, you're getting late. Very common at home.
Many learners say, "Do fast." But the correct sentence is, "Hurry up."
Another useful one. Brush your teeth. Take a shower. Get ready. Okay, let's have a mini dialogue.
Wake up. It is 7 a.m.
Oh no, I am sleepy.
Hurry up. You are getting late.
Okay, I am getting up. Now, breakfast time. My favorite time.
Simple sentence. Breakfast is ready. Or come and eat.
You can ask, what do you want to eat? Do you want tea or coffee?
At my home, every morning is the same question.
What question?
Tea or coffee?
And your answer?
Coffee. Always coffee.
Useful phrases. Eat slowly. Finish your food. Do not waste food.
I once said, "Complete your food."
Not wrong, but finish your food is more natural. Now asking for help. Very useful. Example. Can you help me? Can you pass me the salt? Can you open the door?
Yesterday, my mother asked, "Can you bring the bag?" And I brought the wrong bag. Then she said, "Not that one."
Laughs classic. More examples. Please clean your room. Can you switch off the light?
Many people say, "Off the light."
Correct way. Switch off the light.
Can you help me?
Yes, what happened?
Can you carry this?
Sure. Now let us talk about daily plans. Example. What are you doing today?
I am going to work.
Are you going out?
Yes, I am going out with friends.
One day my mother asked, where are you going? I said, outside.
That is not helpful.
Yes. She said, outside where?
So better say, I am going to the market. Or, I am going to meet a friend. Useful phrases. I will be back soon. Do not be late. Call me when you reach.
Alex, now let's have a mini dialogue. Where are you going?
I am going to the shop.
Okay. Come back soon.
Sure.
Let us see a bad example. Do fast. Eat quickly off the light. Come fast back.
Understandable, but not natural. Better example is,
Hurry up. Eat quickly. Switch off the light. Come back soon.
much better. Let's role play. Good morning.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes. What about you?
I am still sleepy.
Hurry up. You are getting late.
Okay, I am getting ready.
I made another funny mistake at home yesterday. I wanted to tell my brother, wait for me. But I said, stay me.
Stay you.
Yes. He looked confused and said, what should I do, become you?
Oh no. That is funny, but also a common mistake.
Yes. At home, we often translate from our language, and then the sentence sounds strange.
Now let us talk about housework, cleaning, cooking, and daily chores.
Simple sentence. I am cleaning the room, or I am sweeping the floor.
You can say, I am doing the dishes, not washing vessels. That is common, but not natural.
Many people say, I am washing vessels. But the correct sentence is, I am doing the dishes.
One day my mother asked, what are you doing? I said, I am washing vessels. She understood, but it sounded funny.
More useful phrases. Can you help me clean? Please mop the floor. Take out the trash.
Now kitchen time. My favorite place again. Simple sentences. I am cooking. I am making lunch.
You can ask, what are you cooking? Do you need help?
One time I tried to cook, but I burned the food. Then I said, today we will order food.
Smart decision.
Useful phrases. Add some salt. Mix it well. Turn off the stove.
Very practical. I once said, close the stove.
Again close. Correct is, turn off the stove.
Now a mini dialogue. What are you cooking?
I am making rice.
Do you need help?
Yes, please cut the vegetables.
Talking while relaxing at home.
Simple sentences. I am watching TV. I am using my phone.
You can ask, what are you watching? Is it interesting?
Yesterday I was watching a movie, but my brother changed the channel. I said, why you changed?
A small mistake. Correct sentence. Why did you change it? That sounds better.
More phrases. Let us watch something. Change the channel. Increase the volume. Reduce the volume.
Now evening time. Time to relax and talk. Simple sentences. How was your day?
It was good. Or, I am tired. Or, I had a busy day.
Every evening, my father asks me, how was your day? Sometimes I say, fine. But these days I say, it was good. I learned something new. Or, it was busy but nice. Night phrases. I am going to sleep. Good night. Sleep well.
Let us look at a bad example. I am washing vessels. Close the stove while you change channel.
Understandable, but not natural.
Better example. I am doing the dishes. Turn off the stove. Why did you change the channel?
Much smoother. Let's role play. What are you doing?
I am cooking.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Okay, I will help you.
Now, let us talk about giving instructions. Very common at home. Simple sentences. Please close the door. Open the window. Bring me some water. Or please give me that book.
Yesterday, my mother said, bring me the remote. I brought the TV remote, but she wanted the AC remote.
Wrong remote.
Yes, then she said, not that one.
Very real situation. More useful phrases. Keep it here. Put it there. Do not touch this. Be careful.
Can you open the window?
Sure.
Thank you.
No problem.
Now, feelings. Very important for daily conversation. Simple sentences. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am bored.
Yesterday I came home and said, I am very tired. Then my mother said, take some rest. That feels nice.
You can also say, I feel good today. I am not feeling well.
Now, let us make our English polite. Very important at home. Use please. Example, please help me.
Use thank you. You can say, thank you for your help.
You can say, can you please help me? Could you please pass the salt?
When I was young, I never said, please. My mother always said, say please.
Good habit. More phrases. Excuse me. Sorry. It is okay.
Can you please give me water?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Now, small problems. These happen every day. Example, I cannot find my phone. Did you check your bag? I lost my keys.
Yesterday, I could not find my charger.
Where was it?
In my own bag.
That always happens. Useful phrases. Where did you keep it? I forgot. I will check.
Let us look at a bad example. Keep here this. I am not well feeling. Where you kept it, give water.
Understandable, but not natural.
Better example. Keep this here. I am not feeling well. Where did you keep it? Please give me water.
Much better and more polite.
Let's role play. I am tired.
Take some rest.
Can you please bring me water?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Let us recap. Use simple and natural English. Speak daily at home. Use polite words. Do not be afraid of mistakes.
All right, listeners. Now it's your turn. What is one English sentence you will use at home today? Write it in the comments.
Keep practicing every day. Speak English at home with confidence.
You can do it.
Goodbye and see you next time.